disaster of tornado in Mainaguri. In Mainaguri's gentle embrace, where life wanders with tranquil grace, a tempest came, unbeaten, wild. In fleeting moments, hearts beguiled. The winds across with furious might, a dance of chaos in the light. They tore through homes with ruthless ire, leaving behind a funeral pyre. Amidst the storm, a tragic tale of lives cut short like ships set sail. 5 souls departed, their journey done, their stories etched neath setting sun. Yet the aftermath, amidst the gloom, humanity's light begins to loom. Rescue team rush, hearts beating strong to heal the wounds of the nature's song. Chief Minister's voice, a beacon's bright, guiding through the darkness night. With hands united, we shall mend, and from this tragedy, strength ascend. For though the tempest fury rose, we will rise again on distant shores. In Mainaguri's resilience embrace, we will rebuild with steadfast grace. Thank you.